Bubble tayo. So, tingnan, eto, nag-scroll ako sa YouTube, tapos ito nakita ko. Bubble tayo. So, that's not me, wait.
Alright, now I'm actually starting to get mad, because why in the world is someone calling me broke in my YouTube comment? I recently made a Grow a Garden short where I thought I had one of the rarest plants in the game, worth around 85 million shekels. Mind you, this was a month ago, and yes, I realize that's basically nothing nowadays. But broke? There's thousands of players that don't even have 1 billion. And you know what? I'm about to show off. This is my farm. I have 3 moon blossoms, 1 candy blossom, 5 moon mangoes, and this giant coconut, while also having 20 billion shekels. And my rarest plant sells for 7 billion, all without spending any Robux. So who's broke now, huh? Alright, now I'm...
Okay, guys. So, not flexing at all. Okay, guys. Remember, I'm not flexing. Anitox. Anita. Apa ma. Okay, first of all, I have 4 trillion, something like that, and whoa. And second of all, I had this. Please don't sell it. It's 1 trillion. It's 1 trillion, okay? And not flexing at all, okay? That's so make sure to like and subscribe before I eat you.